BrainBobble presents. Stop waiting for a hero to save you. Take control of your life. Are you tired of waiting for someone to come along and save you from your problems? Do you secretly hope someone will arrive to make you do the hard things you've been avoiding? Guess what? You don't have to depend on anyone else to solve your problems or make difficult decisions anymore. You have the power within you to face your problems head-on and overcome them with your own strength and resilience. So, don't wait for someone else to save you. Today's video will tell you how to take control and become the hero of your own story. 1. Set clear goals. When you take the time to identify what you want to achieve and create clear actionable goals, it can help you take control of your own life and stay motivated in pursuing your aspirations. Setting goals provides you with a clear framework for what you want to accomplish and how you plan to achieve it. Additionally, creating goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, can make it easier for you to stay focused and motivated. When you know exactly what your goals are and what steps need to be taken to achieve them, you can break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks that are easier to accomplish. This approach can help you stay motivated and focused on the bigger picture, even when the smaller tasks feel overwhelming. By setting priorities and goals that align with your values and vision for your life, you can develop a greater sense of purpose and direction, which increases your chances of success and fulfillment. 2. Break tasks into smaller pieces. When you break down tasks into small manageable chunks, it can make them feel less overwhelming and more achievable for you. This approach is particularly useful when you are facing a particularly challenging task or project. By breaking it down into smaller pieces, you can reduce your stress levels and make the task feel more manageable. This strategy can also help you stay motivated and focused on the task at hand. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the enormity of the project, you can focus on completing each small piece, building momentum and progress as you go. By adopting this approach, you can make the most of your time and energy, and ultimately achieve your goals more effectively. 3. Prioritize your tasks. Creating a to-do list with your most important tasks at the top can be a powerful tool for staying organized and focused. By prioritizing your tasks, you can identify what needs to be done first and what can wait until later. This approach can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed by your workload and reduce your stress levels. Additionally, having a clear plan of what needs to be accomplished can help you stay on task and avoid distractions. You can refer back to your to-do list throughout the day to keep yourself on track, and update it as needed to reflect changes in priorities or new tasks that arise. By adopting this approach, you can improve your efficiency and productivity, and ensure that you stay focused on what is most important. 4. Time blocking. Managing your time effectively is an essential skill for achieving your goals and staying productive. One powerful technique for doing so is to set aside specific times of the day for certain tasks. This means creating a schedule that includes dedicated blocks of time for work, exercise, self-care, or whatever else you need to accomplish. By doing this, you can ensure that you have enough time to complete all of your tasks, and can avoid feeling overwhelmed or struggling to prioritize. This approach can also help you avoid procrastination, as having a structured schedule can provide a clear sense of what needs to be done and when. Additionally, this technique can improve your overall efficiency by allowing you to batch similar tasks together and minimize context switching. By making a deliberate effort to manage your time in this way, you can optimize your productivity and maximize your chances of success. 5. Get organized. An often overlooked aspect of productivity is having an organized work environment. When your workspace is tidy and clutter-free, it can help you maintain a clear mind and focus on the tasks at hand. By keeping your desk or work area neat, you can reduce distractions and minimize the visual clutter that can create mental strain. This will create a more conducive environment for you to concentrate and be productive. Additionally, by organizing your workspace, you can make it easier to locate important documents or materials, saving you time and frustration. Creating a system for organizing your work area so that everything has its place can also help you build a sense of control and autonomy over your environment, which is a crucial aspect of taking control of your own life. By making a conscious effort to keep your workspace clean and organized, you can boost your productivity and stay focused on achieving your goals. 6. Recruit help when needed. Many people struggle with the idea of asking for help, fearing that it will make them appear weak or incapable. However, the truth is that asking for help when you need it can be a powerful way to reduce stress and achieve your goals more effectively. When you feel overwhelmed by a task or unsure of how to proceed, seeking guidance from others can help you gain a fresh perspective or tap into knowledge or resources that you may not have access to on your own. Additionally, reaching out for support can provide emotional reassurance and create a sense of community around your goals, which can be a powerful motivator. Knowing that you don't have to tackle a challenge alone can help you feel more capable and confident, making the task easier to accomplish. Ultimately, recognizing that it's okay to ask for help when you need it can help you take control of your own life and achieve your goals more effectively. 7. Create a routine. Creating a daily routine that includes time for work, exercise, self-care, and relaxation can be a powerful way to take control of your life and stay productive. Establishing a consistent routine helps you avoid procrastination, stick with your responsibilities, and prioritize your needs. Following the routine consistently can help you build good habits and increase efficiency. Incorporating small changes such as scheduling breaks or setting up an accountability system helps keep consistency even when life gets busy. Take care of yourself by creating a balance between commitments and rest. Practice your routine regularly, and experience the benefits. 8. Create accountability for yourself. Make sure to stay on track with your goals by setting up regular check-ins or regular progress reviews. This will help you hold yourself accountable and provide an opportunity for you to reflect on the progress you've made. You may even want to consider inviting a friend or mentor to join in on the reviews so that you have someone encouraging you to stay focused on your ambitions. Taking the time to review and reassess your progress is essential for long-term success. Make sure it happens. Taking control of your life is an important step to achieving your goals and finding fulfillment. Waiting for someone else to save you will only lead to disappointment and a lack of progress. So take a deep breath, make a plan, and take action. Remember, the power to create the life you want is within you. With determination and hard work, you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. So go forth and take control of your life. The possibilities are endless. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.